Another camping trip, another camping tent review. This time I'm looking at the Core 6-person tent. This is an instant pop-up cabin style tent. It is super easy to get up in literally minutes. Nice rope that you can use to pull that rain tarp taut. We didn't really need it. It was just gently breezy and no sign of rain in the forecast for us, so I cannot speak to its water withholding powers. However, I can say that it zips open and closed with a single hand, which is important when you've got your arms full of camping gear and you need to get in and out quickly. You know, keep those bugs out. This holds its structure very well. It's got these nice storage pockets. Now, one thing this tent won't do is block out a lot of light. If that's something that's important to you, the white sides on this tent will not do you any favors there. However, the venting, I do love the venting in this tent. Those sides pull open so that it's constantly got a nice flow of air coming through, yet it also stayed nice and warm at night when it dropped to the low 40s. All in all, this is a great family tent camping option. If you need something that goes up and comes down really quickly, I definitely recommend this Core 6-person instant pop-up cabin style tent.